Hello, everybody. Greetings from Zeal Wellness. This is nutritionist Sakina here. And to let you know, this nutritionist Sakina was on a spree of giving a lot of webinars during this quarantine period. And I'm very, very, very thankful to all my audience, all my participants. They were very supportive and interactive, and they really helped me to make my webinar a super, super hit. So let's hear it out from some of these participants about their feedback. Take care.
Hi everyone. Thank you note and a gratitude note to Sakina Ben Patrawara from Zeal Wellness for conducting a very thoughtful and very educative seminar on foods to be had during Shairullah Muazzam with Muminat Behno of Tayyibi Mohalla in association with our Fazil Mawahid Burhaniya team. It was an excellent online session where Sakina Ben explained the different kinds of foods to be taken during Shairullah Muazzam and to be avoided during Shairullah Muazzam, and she was in good condition to answer queries from our Muminat Behno regarding acidity, constipation, vitamins to be had during Shairullah Muazzam to keep going. So thank you once again, Sakina Ben, and great job.
Hi everyone, this is Mufaddal Bukwala from Mufaddal Sports. I have attended few of webinars with nutritionist Sakina Patrawala from Zeal Wellness, and I must say they were crisp and very informative. She covered almost all points regarding immunity and mental foods. Her webinar series have been always enlightening, and I had also arranged a separate webinar for our cricketing friends all over India, and it was very well attended by almost from lots of cities. It was wonderful interactive session, and there were very good reviews from all my friends that I had arranged such a webinar for them. Thank you, Sakina Patrawala, for educating us. Looking forward to more such webinars. Thanks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Webinar અંદર બેન સકીના બેને જો ગાઈડલાઇન્સ આપી બેનદિલ્લા ઘણો ફાયદો થયો એમ કે રોજાની હાલતમાં આપણે કેવી રીતે સેવરીના અંદર શું લેવું જોઈએ, ઇફતારીમાં શું લેવું જોઈએ, એના સબબ આપણે બોડીને ફાયદો થાય અને સેહત બરાબર રહી શકે, શેરુલ્લાહ મુઅઝ્ઝમમાં ઇબાદત કરી શકાય. એના સેકન્ડને સકીનાબેને ઘણી अच्छी ગાઈડલાઇન્સ આપી. ખુદા એને અફઝલ જઝા આપે કે એના સબબ સગલા મોમિનીનને ફાયદો થયો અને એના સબબ આ ઇબાદત કરવામાં યારી મળે છે. ખુદા એને જઝા આપે અને મને અમારા આકા અલી કદમ ફતલ મોલાની મળશે. ખુદા તાલા તારો કાયમત દરાજ અંદાજ કરતા.
સકીના કેમ છો? સન્ડે તમારું જે વેબિનાર હતું SBUT 2માં એ ઘણું એક્સેલન્ટ હતું, ઘણી મજા આવી, ઘણું બધું જાણવા મળ્યું ને હવે રોઝા કરવા વાસ્તે ઘણું ઇઝી પડી રહ્યું છે. સ્પેશિયલ આવી ગરમીના અંદર તમે જે બધું અમારે બતાવ્યું એ ઘણી ફાઇન રીતે તમે એક્સપ્લેન કીધું ને વચ્ચે અમે તમારે ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછતા હતા, એના તમે આન્સર અમારી ઘણી ફાઇન રીતે આપતા હતા, તો એનાથી ઘણું જાણવા મળી ગયું. જે બધી નાની નાની ભૂલો અમારાથી થતી હતી એ હવે નહીં થતી ને બધી એસિડિટીમાં ને બધામાં ઘણો ફરક પડી ગયો. જે ડિહાઇડ્રેશન થતું હતું એ સ્પેશિયલી અમારે ડાયાબિટીસવાળાને ને બધાના વાસ્તે તમે જે બતાવ્યું, જે તમે નટ્સ લેવાનું બતાવ્યું ને તમે જે બધી ફ્રૂટ્સ લેવાનું બતાવ્યું, એ બધા ઇન્ફોર્મેશન્સથી ઘણી મજા આવી. ઓકે, થેન્ક્સ.
Hi, my name is Fatima, and I'm happy to have attended Sakina's webinar sessions on nutrition for women of all ages, as well as what to eat during the holy month of Ramadan. Both these sessions have been extremely informative about nutrition, in not only in different ages, as well as how can we use basic food available in our house and make permutation and combination to create a healthy meal, as well as extremely interesting. Not only that, but also I have loved the way that she has used the myths that we have heard over time and just debunked them without even making us realize. Now when I go back and think about the session, I'm like, oh wow, she did this, and It's just amazing. As well as something that I took back from her Ramadan video, where she said that during this month it is more important to have the nutrition in your body than to think about how to lose weight, because we have the rest of the months to do that, and in this month we can use it for ibadat. And being a nutritionist and a dietitian, I really don't hear that from a lot of people, so I'm so glad that Sakina has this thought in her head and is encouraging people with the same thought.
Hello friends, this is Murtaza Patanwala. We were fortunate enough to have a seminar by the dietitian and nutritionist Mrs. Sakina bin Patrawala in our Mohalla SBPT2 Gorakhpur. The webinar was of the duration of 30 minutes. She aptly put all the health issues which are very current topics, because Ramadan is also going on, and after Ramadan also how to eat healthy foods and keep our body fit and healthy. The seminar was well attended by women of all ages, and after the seminar there was a question taken by Mrs. Sakina and was very well answered. So the Muminins of SBP2 are very grateful for to Sakina Bin for having this seminar in our Mohalla. Shukran.
So before Ramzan, I attended a webinar by Sakina Patrawala of Zeal Wellness. This particular webinar was regarding what, how and when should you eat during Ramzan. Being the holy month, it's always a concern as to how do you manage to keep yourself healthy. This webinar particularly addressed all the three questions and well. She addressed issues of what should you actually conduct your iftar with, how ideal and nutritious should your sahri be, each aspects being taken in turn along with all the problems that one would face. She concluded the seminar with a lot of questions that we could ask her, right from what if you get headaches to what if you have an issue with constipation. At the same time, she also cleared some of the most important misconceptions that often we have regarding what is an ideal sahri. Thanks to Sakina Patrawala, it has been a very easy Ramzan so far for me during these quarantine times. Thank you, Zeal Wellness.
Hi everyone. It's really thoughtful of Sakina to have a live webinar regarding what is beneficial to eat in the month of Ramzan during Sehri, Iftar and dinner. Yeah, there in that session when I attended, she discussed certain points like consuming too much of sweets during Sehri time, as in jam and all, may make you feel thirsty throughout the day. Yeah, so that was really good, what she discussed, what she told us in her session. And the other thing what she discussed is like in case some of the time when we have a heavy dinner or maybe a late dinner, then we can compensate that part with the fruits or dry fruits during the Sehri time. Well, that was also very informative. She really discussed really good points which I really enjoyed attending her session, and I would really look forward to attend certain more sessions. And the most important thing, what I liked was it was an interactive part, as in if we had any doubts or queries, we were just typing it out and she used to revert back immediately, clearing all our doubts and answering it to us. That was also a good part in her session. So I'm still looking forward for another sessions. All the best. Good luck.